Hi, my name's Elisa, and today I want to talk to you about a groundbreaking new technology that's changing the game in terms of our health and well-being. It's called the NanoVi, available here at Oasis Chiropractic Center, and trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. You see, our bodies are incredible machines that are constantly working on a cellular level to keep us going. But sometimes the stressors of modern life can take a toll, causing oxidative stress and throwing off our whole cellular balance. That's where the NanoVi steps in. Imagine a device that enhances the signals our cells produce naturally. It's sort of like giving your cells a tune-up, giving them the boost that they need to better cope with stress, recover faster, and keep us feeling our best. Patients have even reported improvements in exercise recovery, sleep quality, energy levels, and focus. So I'm here today at Oasis Chiropractic Center to see for myself.
So how does it work? It's simple, really. You use a nasal cannula or a handheld device to breathe in the NanoVi signal. This signal interacts with your body's own processes, encouraging your cells to activate their natural defense mechanisms against oxidative stress. Think of it as a way to empower your body to do what it's designed to do: thrive. We're living in an age where technology is unlocking new avenues for wellness, and the NanoVi device is at the forefront of this revolution. Now, Dr. Starkman will prescribe the duration and frequency of this type of therapy, and while individual results may vary from patient to patient based on their diagnosis, it's exciting to think about the potential. I love that Oasis Chiropractic Center is always adding new services to help heal and care for their patients.
After my treatment, I'm feeling very relaxed, which is always a good thing, and I'm also feeling grounded and present and alert, like I can get stuff done, and not in a jittery way like when you drink too much coffee, just calm and collected, which is honestly wonderful. Remember, your wellness journey is uniquely yours. The NanoVi is the exciting next step into the future of health optimization and is one of the incredible services offered here at Oasis Chiropractic Center. So if you're someone who's been feeling the toll of stress, or you simply want to explore new and innovative ways to enhance your well-being, the NanoVi therapy might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Our bodies are amazing, and they deserve all the help they can get. So be sure to ask Dr. Starkman about adding this service to your care plan on your next visit.
Energy for life. More than 99% of our body's molecules are water. The DNA and proteins, which are the second most abundant compound, are embedded in this water. Hundreds of thousands of different proteins execute every process in your body. Tens of thousands are found in each cell. Folded proteins are essential for cellular activity that keeps us vital, healthy, and alive. Unfortunately, folded proteins and the DNA are constantly damaged by free radicals during oxidative stress. When unfolded, they lose their function. This reduces cellular activity. The results are loss of performance, aging, and in a worst-case scenario, chronic disease. Fortunately, repair and regeneration are possible and occur when proteins fold and refold. Always, along with free radicals, signaling molecules known as excited or activated oxygen are generated and emit a specific electromagnetic energy. This energy is absorbed and transferred by water, forming layers of ordered water on its contact surfaces. These layers are also called exclusion zone or EZ water. It is more densely packed and has a higher energy state. They provide the energy required for proteins to fold. When enough layers surround a protein, the folding happens spontaneously and the protein starts functioning. This essential biological process can now be assisted by the patented NanoVi technology. In NanoVi devices, the same signal is emitted into water droplets in an airstream, leading to the formation of ordered water vapor. Universities and test facilities verified the signal's quality and intensity as bioidentical, and that the vapor contains EZ water. Inhaling NanoVi's ordered water vapor affects the entire body. Thanks to the unique properties of water, NanoVi's specific energy is transferred from vapor droplets to cells and ultimately to proteins. Here, NanoVi provides much-needed energy to the protein folding process. Not only DNA molecules repair faster, but all cellular activities improve with proper protein function. By assisting their folding, functions are not lost, but are reinstalled. Therefore, NanoVi is used to address chronic disorders, to slow cellular aging, and to recover faster from mental or physical performance. Now, you can enhance vitality by boosting regeneration at the cellular level. NanoVi provides more energy for life.